So here's my teeth. Yes, so this is how I try to maintain, to get that glow, to brighten my. Hi friends, welcome back. Hello my lovely friends, you're most welcome back to my channel, the Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're new, you are super welcome. Alright guys, check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, so on today's video I want to show you how to whiten your teeth. Alright guys, so do you know what I love about this receipt is that it is a very simple homemade receipt that it doesn't take time. It doesn't take time, and this receipt has it has this antibacterial, it kills bacteria from your mouth, all those bacteria that generates to plaque and all of that, and it also has a bleaching effect. It's gonna bleach your teeth and make it have this sparkling whitish glow, guys. Alright guys, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So guys, I told you that it's a simple homemade receipt, guys. I promised you that. And here what I'm gonna be needing is apple cider vinegar, and also half a glass of water. I had to measure it. This is half cup actually. So what I'm gonna be needing now is 1 tablespoon. This is the measurement of 1 tablespoon. So I'm just gonna measure it right now. Put it inside the water. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a disinfectant and natural cleaning product. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in apple cider vinegar, kills bacteria. The antibacterial property of vinegar is what makes it useful for cleaning your mouth and whitening your teeth. One study on cow teeth found that apple cider vinegar exhibits a bleaching effect. However, it is also found that vinegar may soften the teeth. The acetic acid in vinegar has the potential to erode the enamel on your teeth. For this reason, you should not use apple cider vinegar every day. You should also limit the amount of time that apple cider vinegar is in contact with your teeth. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it with water just as I'm showing you now on this video, and switch it around your mouth for several minutes. Make sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. After that, I'm gonna pour. I'm gonna drink take another glass of water. Make sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly, guys. So guys, you don't need to allow that to stay inside your mouth for too long, so you just have to rinse off immediately you do it. You just have to rinse off. So here's my teeth. Yes, so this is how I try to maintain, to get that glow, to brighten my teeth and also kill bacteria from my teeth once in a while. So this shouldn't be like a regular practice. No, it shouldn't be a regular practice. It should be something that should be done like once in a month. Yeah. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful.